Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks in InShot. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app. Then tap on video. Right now tap on new. Then select the video that you want to work with. Here I'm going to customize the canvas like this. I'm going to extend it and then watch the video of yours, and after you have done with your editing, let's remove the watermark. Tap on the watermark and in here you guys will find out two options. The first one is InShot Pro, and here you have to buy the subscription, and if you guys want to remove it for free, tap on free remove and then it will remove the watermark. But make sure that you have the internet connection in your device, then it will automatically remove your watermark. So this is how you guys can remove watermark in InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.